Welcome to Colorado and the Mountain Rules video series. In this video, we will provide a progress update on the Eastbound I-70 Mount Vernon Emergency Escape Ramp project, located at milepost 257 just east of Genesee. The work on this project began November 11, 2023. The project will make the ramp more visible and robust for truck drivers to use in the event of an emergency, such as failed brakes, which are frequent in Colorado during the warmer months. Some of the improvements include better advanced signage, larger barriers between the ramp and the adjacent steep embankment, additional cameras at the ramp, new ramp lighting, and a better ramp design, allowing for late entry should truckers miss the escape ramp entrance. Crews have been hard at work during this winter season. More than 1,000 cubic yards of concrete was poured, and more than 200,000 pounds of rebar installed. 30% of barrier was constructed. Approximately 14,000 linear feet of conduit has been installed for the intelligent transportation systems and electrical work. Safety is our first priority. While driving through the project area, motorists are encouraged to slow down and pay attention to the signage. Drivers can expect various lane closures and shoulder closures during the day and night on eastbound I-70 at milepost 256 near Genesee. An 11-foot lane restriction is currently in place. The speed limit for freight vehicles is reduced to 40 miles per hour on eastbound I-70 from exits 254 to 259. The emergency escape ramp will remain closed until project's completion in the late spring of 2024. Truckers must make sure their brakes and vehicles are in safe working order before heading down the steep grade. There are several locations along the corridor to cool brakes. For more information, please visit the project website. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.